Early on in the discussions of how we wanted to manage the land that's now under our care, it became very clear to us that the logical solution was to use ruminants, specifically cattle and sheep, to graze through these pasture lands, control the growth, and also build the health and biodiversity of the soils and the forages. We're allowing these grasses to grow and flourish really for the first time in 40 to 50 years. These fields have been set stocked, hayed, mowed for quite a long time. So to see these fields express themselves and grow for the first time is really encouraging. We're utilizing two species together in the same paddock, the cattle and the sheep. That serves multiple benefits for us. We're not managing multiple different groups spread throughout the farm. It standardizes our pasture rest periods as well. So we can have one group controlling the density and the impact that we're seeing on these 1.5 to 2 acre plots that we're putting them in. Having these two together eliminates the need for any chemical wormers. They essentially worm themselves. Think back to how animals would have roamed the prairies a long time ago. There would have been larger animals followed by smaller animals and birds, and different wildlife would have been behind them, which is what this grazing is also promoting. What's been really encouraging and what we want to see and what we're trying to do in these fields to allow these grasses to grow. When the cattle come through and the sheep come through, they're going to graze the top part of this, and they're actually going to do a lot of trampling, which is one of the effects of having a large group of animals for a short period of time. So this stemmy material is going to get trampled onto the ground, leaving us with thatch that's going to cover the soil. And it's the same concept as mulching. If you were to think about that in your garden, for example, we're keeping the soil covered to control soil temperature, erosion. We're increasing the density of the plants as we go along too, because all of these seeds are going to be going back into the soil to make contact with what is now bare soil. Once that starts to change and the biodiversity in the soil increases and dung beetles and earthworms start to increase, that's when we really start to see the benefit of this grazing management. Thank you for watching. Please visit stonebarncenter.org/grazing for more information about our grazing project, and remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel.